I'm proud to represent Sell Your Home by Owner, where we help you sell your home quickly and for top dollar. Selling a home can feel overwhelming, but with the right steps, it becomes a smooth and rewarding experience. Here are the 9 essential steps to getting your house sold. 1. Start with a market analysis. Understand your home's value with a detailed comparative market analysis to set the right price. 2. Prepare your home, declutter, clean, and make small repairs to ensure your home is ready for buyers to fall in love. 3. Professional staging. Create a welcoming atmosphere with expert staging to highlight your home's best features. 4. High-quality photography and videos. Showcase your property with stunning visuals that attract online buyers. 5. Strategic marketing. We list your home on multiple platforms, including MLS, social media, and targeted local ads. 6. Showings made easy. Flexible scheduling ensures every interested buyer gets to see your home. 7. Effective negotiation. Once the offers come in, we negotiate on your behalf to get you the best possible deal. 8. Seamless closing process. From inspection to appraisal, we manage every detail to keep the process on track. 9. Celebrate your sale. With your home sold, we celebrate your success and take pride in being part of your journey. At Sell Your Home by Owner, we guide you through every step with expertise and care. Ready to sell? Let's get started today.